In this short tutorial, I will show you how to embed a live Thai train schedule on your blog in under 1 minute. Go to yesmytrips.com and click on Free Widget for Bloggers. Step 1. Choose your default route. Select the departure and arrival stations you want to display. For example, Bangkok to Chiang Mai. Then click Use this route. If you want your readers to be able to switch between all 790 routes themselves, simply toggle on Allow visitors to switch routes. Step 2. Copy your embed code. Select your platform, WordPress, Blogger, Wix, or plain HTML. Choose your widget language and pick a header color to match your blog. Then click Copy Code. Step 3. Paste the code into your blog. Your widget is now live. Schedules update automatically, forever. If you use WordPress, there's an easier way, a plugin that takes care of the technical setup for you. On Step 2, select the WordPress tab. You'll see a shortcode and a link to download the plugin zip file. Download the zip, then go to your WordPress dashboard. Head to Plugins, click Add New, then Upload Plugin. Select the zip file and activate it. Now open any post or page, add a custom HTML block, paste the shortcode, and publish. That's it! The widget is live. If you want to earn commission on bookings your readers make, scroll down to join the affiliate program. Get your free widget at yesmytrips.com.